We spent the past few weeks trying to make this apartment feel like home, but apparently we forgot we still had an entire wardrobe at my granny house. And we brought all of our clothes over this weekend. And this closet quickly became the space I kept avoiding. So before I start decorating another space, we need to fix this ASAP. So the last couple weeks we've been talking about renter-friendly upgrades, so I'm putting it to the test. I'm doing some renter-friendly upgrades in this closet to make it feel grand. Welcome to the style series of making our apartment feel like home.
Hey friends, welcome back to Style My Apartment Friday. I'm gonna get it together. Okay, anyway, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany Lemental. If you are new here, if you are true here, thank you so much for being here each and every week. So this week, as you can see from the beginning of the video, we have a problem. Well, not necessarily a problem, but we have some things going on. Over this weekend, we went to get all of our clothes from my granny's house, and now we have them all here. So it's time to start getting this closet together. And it was like, okay, I can just put everything and hang everything up, but that's not my style. I like to elevate things and make things a grand. Okay, I'm being so extra right now. But anyways, I want to elevate this closet. I want this closet to feel like grand. So I have a couple renter-friendly things that I'm going to do with you today. I'm actually going to do them on camera with you guys today. And we're just going to see how it goes. So let's get into it. So first we're going to start by getting all of the stuff out of the closet. It's so much stuff, y'all. Woo! No, I don't like that you being weird.
I ain't being weird. It's more so. Oh!
Alright, y'all. We got it. We got our clothes out. That actually took longer than I thought. It's crazy. We got so much stuff. So the point of this closet over is to, one, make it fit all of Chris and I things. Me and Chris things. And then two, elevate it so it can just look pretty, because y'all know I like pretty things. Three, make it feel lived in, because I told y'all that everything is brand new. So we're gonna figure out how to do all that. So let's get to cleaning. Okay, so we cleaned up. Now we're going to get into the first renter-friendly upgrade. It's gonna be our contact paper. Y'all know I love me some good exposed wood. So I'm gonna be laying this down on all of the shelves except for the cupboards.
Okay, friends, it's the next day. We finished the contact paper on all of the shelvings. It actually took a lot longer than I thought. My boo had to come in here and help me because I'm like, why is it taking so long? But it's okay because you got to get measurements and all this stuff and whatever. But it came out really nice. So right now I'm going to go ahead and start putting up the wallpaper. I'm so excited. It just came in today. I measured it out, so we should be good to go. Oh,
That's how it looks.
okay.
Just like it there on this side.
Huh? All right. Actually looks fabulous. Ooh, can I? Cause why you wanna go and do that, my friend?
Do the top, do the top, yeah. You gotta roll it right there. Screw.
Ooh. Child. Okay. Okay. We getting somewhere.
Because it makes it easier for you to place it.
Yeah.
The rug just came in. I'm still in the midst of doing this, but the rug just came in. And she is so pretty. Look at her. So pretty, so vibrant. Look how blue and just all this goodness. But she's not going in here. It doesn't match. Ah! Ooh! That's okay. I have a spot to put this. I definitely have a spot to put this. It's just not going to be in here. I need to order another rug from Amazon and I need it here stat. But I just need to check in and let y'all know this. I ordered a sample of this and I felt like it was gonna be good, but the actual wallpaper came in a little bit more mauve colored than I thought. I love the wallpaper. I think the wallpaper is cute. I think the brown and the pink is giving feminine and masculine together. And it's not really pink, it's like a pink-ish. The feminine and masculine of the brown and the mauve is good. So I wanted to keep it. I didn't want to give it away, but I think that this is just a little much. So I'm gonna get a new rug. Hopefully Amazon don't fail me now. We're waiting for the ladder, and I also needed to change out the light fixture because the the wallpaper is a little bit darker than I expected, which is not bad. But since the wallpaper is a little bit darker than I expected, I need the lighting in here to be superb. So the light up top is ceramic and I need it to be glass because I need it to be open and airy still with the colors that's currently in there. Let me show y'all the actual lighting that I have. One second. Okay, so this is the lighting, the light fixture that I have that I was gonna put in there. It's so cute, but it's ceramic and it's really good quality ceramic. but you're not gonna be able to see in it, see through it, and I feel like it's gonna just not give us as much lighting as we want in the room. So I'm gonna get something similar to this but glass. So wait till the reveal. It is day 3, friend, and it is the final day, and we're revealing the closet today. We finished the wallpaper. It came out exactly how I thought it was gonna come out. Actually, a lot better, because I thought that the wallpaper was gonna look a different way, but it came out looking an even better way. So right now, I'm about to go ahead and start styling it, and then we'll get everything together, and you will see the final reveal.
There's something so satisfying about taking a space from complete chaos back to a blank canvas. Once everything was out, I could finally see the potential. I wanted to bring in warmth, personality, and make the builder-grade closet feel more like us. The wood immediately warmed everything up, and then came the wallpaper, which definitely brought the personality. But once everything went back in, I realized the space didn't need more, it needed less, so I edited it. And now, it doesn't look exactly how I imagined, but I think it looks exactly the way it should. It's warm, functional, full of personality, and most importantly, it feels like home. So here's the reveal in 3, 2, 1.
I am so excited to continue to design and decorate this space with you guys, and y'all, stuff has been coming in. So let's look at this. Next week we are going to be doing the living room. So let me give you a little sneak peek of the stuff that has been arriving. Look at her. Oh, she's broke. Okay. To be continued. If you like this video, go like, subscribe, and send it to a friend. And I will see you guys on next Friday, so I can tell you guys what happened with my pot. Bye. Mwah.